The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach is a personal finance book that offers a simple and practical blueprint for achieving financial success and becoming a millionaire without a high income or complex investment strategies. Bach's central premise is the idea of paying yourself first and automating your finances to build wealth gradually over time. Here is a concise summary of the key principles and concepts discussed in the book. 1. The latte factor. Bach introduces the concept of the latte factor, which refers to the small, everyday expenses like buying coffee or eating out that can add up over time. By identifying and cutting back on these unnecessary expenses, individuals can redirect their money towards savings and investments. 2. Pay yourself first. The core principle of the book is to prioritize saving and investing by treating it as a non-negotiable expense. Bach suggests setting up automated transfers from your paycheck or checking account to a retirement or investment account before you have a chance to spend the money on discretionary items. 3. The power of compounding. Bach emphasizes the importance of compound interest in growing your wealth. By consistently saving and investing over time, even small contributions can turn into significant sums due to the compounding effect. 4. Homeownership. The book advocates for homeownership as a key component of building wealth. Bach argues that instead of renting, individuals should strive to buy a home and make mortgage payments, as this builds equity over time. 5. Automatic Millionaire Formula. Bach outlines a specific plan called the Automatic Millionaire Formula, which consists of automating your finances, maximizing retirement contributions, and eliminating debt. This formula is designed to help individuals accumulate wealth steadily and predictably. 6. The 3-bucket system. Bach introduces a simple system for managing your finances, dividing them into 3 buckets. The necessities bucket covers essential expenses like housing, utilities, and food. The financial freedom bucket includes savings, investments, and debt reduction. The play bucket is for discretionary spending and enjoying life. 7. Simplify investments. Bach recommends investing in low-cost, long-term index funds and retirement accounts such as 401(k), and IRAs. He advises against trying to time the market or picking individual stocks. 8. Debt reduction. The book emphasizes the importance of paying down high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, as a crucial step towards achieving financial security. 9. Automate everything. Bach encourages readers to automate as many aspects of their financial life as possible. This includes automated bill payments, savings transfers, and investment contributions. 10. The Finish Rich Mindset. Bach promotes a mindset shift from focusing solely on making a high income to prioritizing the act of finishing rich. This means consistently saving and investing, regardless of your income level. 11. The Homeownership Myth. Bach challenges the conventional wisdom that you should buy as much house as you can afford. Instead, he suggests buying a modest home and focusing on paying off the mortgage early. 12. The Power of Tax-Advantaged Accounts. Bach explains the benefits of using tax-advantaged accounts like 401(k), and IRAs to save for retirement, as they offer tax benefits and can significantly boost your retirement savings. 13. Automatic Millionaire Couples. The book offers advice for couples on how to align their financial goals, automate their finances together, and work as a team to achieve financial success. 14. The Importance of Insurance. Bach emphasizes the need for adequate insurance coverage, including life insurance and disability insurance, to protect your financial future and that of your loved ones. In summary, The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach provides a straightforward and actionable approach to achieving financial security and building wealth. By automating savings, controlling expenses, and adopting a long-term mindset, individuals can gradually accumulate wealth and work towards becoming millionaires, even on a modest income. Bach's book has resonated with many readers for its practicality and its emphasis on the power of consistent, automated financial habits.